Welcome to Aeon Product Picks, your trusted guide for the best kitchen gadgets, smart cooking tips, and must-have appliances. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Instant Pots in 2025, perfect for busy cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants fast, flavorful meals with minimal effort. From advanced multi-cookers with smart features to budget-friendly models that get the job done, these Instant Pots offer convenience, versatility, and serious cooking power. Man-cook, whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, or even making yogurt, we've got the best options to suit every kitchen and lifestyle. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the top Instant Pots you should consider in 2025. Number 5, Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Pro Plus elevates the Instant Pot experience with its sleek matte black design and intuitive touchscreen interface, complemented by a premium 6-quart stainless steel inner pot featuring stay-cool silicone handles. It delivers 10 versatile cooking functions, from pressure cooking and slow cooking to sous vide, canning, and NutriBoost stirring, powered by 1500W for faster preheating and efficient performance. The wireless Instant Brands Connect app lets you remotely control cooking, choose from over 800 to 1,900 guided recipes, trigger steam release, and even schedule meals, though you must remain within about 30 to 45 feet of your 2.4 GHz network. Overall, it's a powerful, countertop-friendly device that streamlines meal prep and cuts cooking time significantly, up to 70% faster on pressure mode. On the flip side, users report a few practical hiccups. The Smart app, while feature-rich, has reliability issues, inconsistent notifications, unstable connections, and vague, imprecise recipe instructions. Its sauté function can abruptly pause, requiring repositioning of the inner pot to resume heat. Water may seep into crevices in the lid during cleaning, and the non-removable power cord can be limiting in tight kitchen spaces. Some feel that the NutriBoost stirring and sous vide features are gimmicky or redundant. Plus, concerns about durability and support have emerged from posts suggesting the Pro Plus may be discontinued, with its Wi-Fi features deprecated after just 2 to 4 years. Number 4, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid is a powerful all-in-one kitchen workhorse that effectively combines pressure cooking and air frying in one sleek package. With a 6.5-quart capacity, it offers 13 cooking functions, including sous vide, broil, bake, dehydrator, and yogurt, making it a truly versatile appliance. The standout feature is its single ultimate hinged lid, which houses both the heating element and fan, eliminating the need to swap lids between moist and dry cooking modes. This not only saves storage space, but also simplifies cleanup, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. InstantPot.nl. The intuitive LCD display guides you through each phase, preheating, cooking, and finishing, while the QuietMark certified steam release keeps noise minimal during pressure operations. Despite its many strengths, the Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid isn't without flaws. In air frying mode, the exposed heating element and small, shallow rack can make stirring awkward, and may lead to uneven cooking, especially compared to basket-style air fryers. The appliance is also fairly large and hefty, demanding substantial counter space and lifting at around 23 to 24 pounds. Some users on Reddit report frustrations with the lid mechanism sticking and being tricky to clean, noting it's absolutely not worth it compared to the classic Duo Crisp that uses separate lids. Reddit.com. Still, for those who want to streamline their kitchen setup and appreciate guided cooking across a wide array of functions, the Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid is a compelling, space-saving multi-cooker. Just be mindful of its footprint and the nuances of its air-frying design. Number 3, Instant Pot RIO Wide. The Instant Pot RIO Wide is a clever evolution of the classic RIO design, offering a wider, shorter 7.5-quart stainless steel inner pot that significantly improves surface area for sautéing, searing, and accommodating larger pots, such as 9 cake pans. Equipped with 7 core cooking modes, pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, steam, egg, yogurt, and keep warm, it replicates the versatility of more expensive models without the complexity. Users also appreciate the Whisper Quiet lid with a separate pressure release slider and an intuitive dot matrix display that clearly shows the cooking cycle, OK to open lid, etc. That said, the RIO Wide is still an entry-level model, and its limitations should be kept in mind. It does not include low-pressure or sous vide capabilities like the Plus version, lacks air fryer functionality, and uses a non-interchangeable sealing ring unique to the RIO Wide, though 2 rings are included. Some reviewers mention that common recipes may need liquid adjustments due to the pot's shape, and while it's generally quieter, the heat-up phase remains slower than flagship models. Overall, The Rio Wide strikes an excellent value at around $129, combining spacious capacity and handy everyday features in a beginner-friendly package. Number 2, Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo is a remarkably versatile 7-in-1 multi-cooker that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making and warming functions in a single appliance. It consistently earns praise for its excellent cooking performance, cooking up to 70% faster than traditional methods, and delivering reliable results across a wide range of recipes, from beans to soups to yogurt. Its intuitive control panel and one-touch presets make it beginner-friendly, while the stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating and easy cleanup, though cleaning the lid and sealing ring can be a bit tedious. Additional safety features like an insulated handle and locking lid add peace of mind for daily use. Users report that the Duo has become a kitchen workhorse, used almost nightly thanks to its speed and convenience. One Redditor shared, "I have the Duo. I love it. Been using Duo since 2020 and would hate to imagine going back without." Another enthusiast on Serious Eats described it as a weeknight wonder that lets me get dinner on the table in a flash. While there's a learning curve, especially around pressure buildup and release times, the overall consensus is that the Instant Pot Duo is a reliable, multifunctional appliance perfect for anyone looking to save time without sacrificing meal quality. Number 1, Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is a highly versatile and user-friendly multi-cooker, blending 9 cooking functions, including pressure, slow cook, sauté, rice, sous vide, cake and yogurt, into one sleek stainless steel appliance. With features like simplified steam release, an intuitive dial and touch interface, and its whisper quiet lid design, it offers a quieter and safer cooking experience than many predecessors. It cooks quickly, soups, beans and grains finish in minutes, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to a dishwasher-safe inner pot. While power users might find themselves tweaking times for optimal results, and some may prefer models with more presets or built-in handles, the Duo Plus strikes an excellent balance of control, safety and simplicity. Priced moderately above basic Instant Pot models but below the top-tier Pro line, this mid-range offering delivers solid value, making it a dependable centerpiece for a wide range of everyday cooking needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.